Welcome to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we're spicing things up with a taste of the Caribbean. It's time for our chicken Cuban sandwich adventure. Let's start with the star of the show, the chicken. We've got these plump, juicy chicken breasts ready for their moment in the spotlight. First, we'll slice them up and give them a gentle pound down to an even thickness. It's like a mini massage for our poultry pals. Season the chicken breasts with kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper, both to taste. Next, it's time to whip up our mouth-watering marinade. In a bowl, we'll combine olive oil, ground cumin, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, a dash of chili powder, and a splash of lime juice. Can you smell those tropical flavors mingling together? It's like a vacation in a bowl. Once our marinade is ready, we'll pour it over our chicken breasts, ensuring they're well coated. Then we'll let them marinate for at least 30 minutes. Trust me, it's worth the wait. Now, onto the grill. We'll preheat it to medium-high heat, getting it nice and hot for our chicken to sizzle. Once it's ready, we'll take our marinated chicken breasts and place them on the grill. Can you hear that sizzle? That's the sound of flavor coming to life. We won't rush perfection. We'll let our chicken cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, keeping an eye on those gorgeous grill marks and juicy insides. And of course, safety first. We'll make sure our chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 75 degrees Celsius, using a trusty meat thermometer. Once our chicken is cooked to tender, flavorful perfection, we'll remove them from the grill and let them rest for a few minutes. This gives our chicken time to relax and soak up all those delicious juices before we slice them up and layer them onto our sandwiches. Now let's assemble our sandwiches. We'll take our ciabatta sandwich rolls and spread a generous layer of yellow mustard on each side. Now let's build those sandwiches from the ground up. Start by laying down 2 slices of deli ham on the bottom half of each roll. Next, add a punch of tangy goodness with 4 slices of dill pickle on top of the ham for that extra zing. Now, it's time to crown our creation with our perfectly grilled chicken breasts. Layer them on top of the pickles on each roll, ensuring every bite is bursting with flavor. And of course, what's a sandwich without cheese? Place 2 slices of Swiss cheese on top of the chicken on each roll to bring everything together. Finally, seal the deal by gently closing the sandwiches with the top halves of the rolls. Voila! Your Caribbean chicken Cuban sandwiches are now ready to hit the grill or panini maker for that perfect finishing touch. Let's get toasting. Spread a little bit of butter onto each sandwich. Then we'll place them on the grill and cook for a couple of minutes on each side until the bread is golden brown and the cheese is melted to perfection. Or if you have a panini maker, even better. Heat it up and toast our sandwiches until the cheese is gooey and melted and the bread is perfectly crispy. And there you have it, perfectly grilled chicken breasts nestled between toasted ciabatta sandwich rolls, ready to take center stage in our mouth-watering Caribbean chicken Cuban sandwiches. But if you want the full written recipe, head over to kelvinskitchen.com. Until next time, keep cooking with sass and eating with passion. This is Kelvin signing off from Kelvin's Kitchen. Stay fabulous, foodies.